Here we are at the Riu Palace, Cabo San Lucas. Can take you on a little tour of the room. Start with the bathroom area. So they've upgraded the bathrooms. Rainfall shower head, step-in bath. Oh, not really a bath area. Got a dual vanity and shampoo, conditioner, and body lotion, as well as a couple of kinds of soap. This is really nice soap, by the way. Got some tissues up here and hair dryer over there, toilet, and there is a shampoo dispenser. So ladies, you might want to bring your own stuff as well if you don't fancy the stuff that they have for you. Quite a few hangers. Spacious. This opens right up, so you can have either side open. Pretty big safe. With my hand, that's easily, you can fit a laptop in there, iPad, what name you, king size bed. These tend to be quite firm, definitely. Got USB charging ports there, as well as a reading light. Oh, and let's not stop at the minibar. So of course, Rius are famous for having help yourself alcohol, and we've got Smirnoff vodka, Bacardi rum, Jose Cuervo tequila, and Beefeater gin, as well as coffee station. Those we had to bring from the 24-hour bar, but it is help yourself to the booze in there, so be mindful of that. A couple of bottles of water here, more in the fridge, as well as 7-Up and Pepsi products, Dos Equis, and some soda water. A place to put your bag while you're unpacking, and then a fair bit of storage space, big TV. Room service is included, there's no extra charge for that. And of course, there's the menu. Put that nice and close. Go ahead and click on that if you want to see what is available. Another charging spot here. And we are right up at the front of the resort. Oh, it's always fun to watch me try to open these doors. And then the magic question, oh, because it pushes open. Yeah, I love that. Okay, so it's not huge, but big enough. And this is the view. We've got the Discovery Princess ship in today. Some little lounging areas down below, or you can head over to one of the pools. Gotta watch out for the undertow in the water out there, but this pirate ship going out, just fabulous. And again, here's a reverse view of the room.